Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Samina Kiyani and I'm a media professional of over 25 years. I've worked across TV, radio and film, and now I want to share my knowledge and experience with all of you who want to break into the world of media. I've got a whole host of super talented industry professionals joining me to talk about how they got into this business, and they give invaluable advice so that you can follow in their footsteps. Here's a flavour of what you can expect on my channel. How did you break into this industry, and why did you choose this industry?
So, first of all, I didn't really choose the industry. I thought I was going to be a pop star. That was my goal.
Oh, wow. Tell us more.
No, Beyonce got there first. I let her have it.
And I thought, ooh, who am I going to be? Which one of these people can I be? And I looked at the most noisy one, which was the director telling everybody what to do. And I thought, I'll have that. I'll do that. That's the one I want to do.
It'll take 4 days to shoot something that's going to be 30 seconds. And that blew my mind the first time I worked on a film set.
I never, I didn't want to be an editor. I used to joke that, I don't want to sit in a dark, windowless room for hours on end.
And that's what it is, essentially.
Exactly.
Communication is the key in our industry.
It's basically telling stories. And that's what we, as humans, have been doing all the time.
I had written, but not a script. That was a whole new world to me. But the reason for writing it initially was because I wasn't seeing on screen the stories that I wanted to see.
This little baby here, this iPhone, it's not just a phone. It's not a phone anymore. You can create beautiful pictures from this device.
I think the best thing is when you see the result of your work.
What would you say to those people who don't have an inkling but they want to get in the industry?
Get an inkling, to be honest.
You must find out who you are and what your strengths are, and you must know your strengths.
You're going to get knocked back. It's very difficult to get your foot in the door, but that doesn't mean that you can't.
Keep at it, even with all the rejections. Your interest, as long as your interest is still there and they can see that, it's just literally don't give up.
If there's somebody you admire or somebody you respect within the industry, or there's somebody's work that you think is amazing, reach out to them. They may not reach back to you, but they might, and you've just got to give it a go. And I would say, please do it. And I really hope to see some of you on a film set soon.